Before you sync your on-premises Active Directory, AD, to Microsoft Entra ID, you need to make sure your directory is clean. That's where the IdFix tool steps in. Think of it as your pre-sync spell checker. Microsoft built this free tool specifically to help you avoid painful sync failures, login issues, or directory replication errors. What is the IdFix tool? The IdFix tool is a lightweight utility from Microsoft that scans your on-prem AD and flags any issues that could interfere with directory synchronization to Microsoft Entra ID. These aren't just cosmetic flaws, they're sync blockers. When you run IdFix, it combs through attributes like proxy addresses, user principal name, and display name to catch errors that Microsoft Entra ID won't tolerate. And the best part? It doesn't just list problems, it also suggests how to fix them. Let's break it down into what you can do with IdFix. Once you run the IdFix tool, it scans your entire on-premises Active Directory and flags issues that could derail your sync process with Microsoft Entra ID. You'll quickly find problems like duplicate user attributes, two users sharing the same UPN, invalid characters, such as % or in names or email fields, improper formatting, like spaces in email addresses, and even fields that are too long to be accepted. Catching these errors early means you won't run into nasty surprises when you start syncing. Instead of leaving you puzzled with obscure errors, IdFix gives you clear, actionable recommendations. If it detects an issue, it shows you a cleaner, corrected version, like a proper UPN or valid character replacement. You're not forced to accept the changes, though. You can choose to apply them, modify them to suit your needs, or reject them entirely. You stay in full control while being guided by the tool. You're not locked into one way of fixing things. If you want to save time, you can apply all recommended changes automatically. On the other hand, if you're dealing with sensitive user data or just prefer precision, you can go entry by entry and fix them manually. IdFix is flexible enough to work with your comfort level and time constraints. The real power of IdFix is in prevention. By cleaning up errors now, you avoid sync failures, missed user provisioning, and frustrating login issues later. Instead of scrambling to troubleshoot after sync problems occur, you go into the process fully prepared. With IdFix, you'll have peace of mind knowing your directory is clean and compliant, and that sync with Microsoft Entra ID will go as planned. So, what's your key takeaway? You don't want to discover sync issues after migration has started. That's like finding out your seatbelt is broken halfway through takeoff. With IdFix, you prepare in advance, ensure smoother deployments, and build user trust with reliable access post-sync. So before you even install Microsoft Entra Connect or Cloud Sync, run IdFix first. It's your first line of defense against unnecessary complexity in your hybrid identity setup.